Hello everyone, welcome back to AI News Flash with AI Rav. Your weekly dose of the biggest AI updates, curated for business owners who want to grow faster without reading 500 tech headlines. Here's the structure. First up, the big software. OpenAI, Microsoft, Google, Meta, Anthropic, xAI, and Amazon. Then creative AI, video, audio, design. Next, international players like Alibaba, Huawei, and others. After that, brand new startups doing cool things. And finally, hardware and infrastructure trends. This is the news you can actually use for your business. Let's dive into what happened between September 1st and 7th. Meta invested $14.3 billion in Scale AI earlier this year, but the partnership is showing cracks. GPT-4 co-creator Sheng Zhao may already be leaving, and Meta is also working with Scale AI competitors Makor and Surge. For business owners, this signals uncertainty. If Meta is shifting alliances, tools built on their stack could see disruption. At the same time, Scale AI has sued Mercor and a former employee for allegedly stealing 100+ confidential files tied to a big client. Business owners should be cautious when selecting AI partners and ask, who owns the data? WhatsApp launched an AI feature called Writing Help that lets users rephrase, proofread, or adjust the tone of their messages. You can choose styles like professional, funny, or supportive. For small businesses, this means customer chats and support can instantly sound polished without hiring a copywriter. OpenAI rolled out projects, file uploads, and customization tools even for free users. Projects let you group chats, set rules, and upload up to 5 files, 25 for Plus, 40 for Pro. Web and Android users have it now, iOS is coming. Business owners get more productivity features without paying extra, lowering entry barriers for AI adoption. OpenAI raised its secondary share sale to $10.3 billion at a $500 billion valuation. That's investors doubling down on growth. They are also buying Statsig, a product testing startup, in an all-stock $1.1 billion deal. Statsig's CEO Vijay Raji will become OpenAI's CTO of applications. This shows OpenAI is serious about scaling enterprise-grade tools. For business owners, expect faster rollouts of features tested at scale. OpenAI plans to launch a jobs platform in 2026, aiming to certify 10 million AI professionals in the US by 2030. Walmart is already a partner. For business owners, this could reshape hiring pipelines and possibly compete with LinkedIn. After criticism tied to mental health cases, OpenAI is rolling out features like routing distressed users to safer reasoning models and adding parental controls for teens. For businesses, this shows the increasing importance of compliance, liability, and trust when deploying AI. Anthropic closed a $13 billion round led by Iconic, Fidelity, and Lightspeed, valuing it at $183 billion. Its Claude code tool already is at $500 million revenue run rate. For businesses, this means Claude is emerging as a strong alternative to OpenAI in coding and productivity. NotebookLM, Google's AI note taker, now adds audio overviews with customizable tones like deep dives, critiques, or debates. New AI voices make it more engaging. Businesses can use this to turn meeting notes into digestible summaries for different audiences. YouTube is rolling out its Hype program for creators globally, which enables AI-generated video summaries on select English videos. This has been in testing since 2023. For business owners, it can boost discoverability. Your content could be surfaced more easily with AI-generated highlights. Google's workspace video editor Vids now has AI avatars, transcript trimming, and image-to-video tools using VO3. A free consumer version with templates and stock assets is also launching. This gives businesses a low-cost way to create professional-looking videos without expensive editors. Google surveyed 3,400 plus executives and found early adopters of AI agents are seeing the strongest returns. 88% of these companies already report positive ROI on at least one use case, and they're putting half their future AI budgets into agents. The biggest gains are in productivity, 70%, customer experience, 63%, and business growth, 56%. Nearly 40% of firms also saw ROI from everyday tools like AI-powered emails and presentations. For business owners, the lesson is clear. Treat AI as core infrastructure, not side projects, and the ROI shows up faster. Mark Benioff confirms Salesforce now uses AI agents for half of customer interactions, replacing 4,000 jobs. This helped them respond to 100 million leads that were previously ignored. For business owners, this highlights how AI can scale customer response without proportional headcount growth. Microsoft will provide free Copilot services to US government workers under the GSA agreement, projected to save $3.1 billion in the first year. For business owners, this shows how AI is being deployed at scale in high-trust environments like government. LinkedIn will soon roll out an AI assistant that helps recruiters prioritize tasks and uncover overlooked candidates. Verification for recruiters is also expanding. For business owners, this could improve how small firms compete for talent. Alibaba reported triple-digit AI revenue growth, sending shares up 19%. For businesses, this signals faster innovation from Chinese firms and growing separation from US tech. The AI gold rush has spread from chips to servers, storage, and data centers. CoreWeave tripled revenue to $1.2 billion. NVIDIA hit $39 billion in data center sales. Foxconn server revenue surpassed smartphones. And Dell logged $12.1 billion in AI orders. For business owners, this means AI infrastructure is scaling rapidly, and costs could come down. OpenAI is co-designing AI chips with Broadcom, production expected next year. The aim is to reduce reliance on NVIDIA, which dominates AI workloads. For business owners, this means lower costs and more competition in the hardware space over time. In the startup news segment, Tokyo's LayerX raised $100 million to expand back-office AI automation for finance and HR. They already serve 15,000 plus companies. For business owners, this shows how AI is reshaping back-office work, an area often overlooked but critical for efficiency. ElevenLabs released an updated sound effects model, allowing seamless looping from a single sample. Businesses in media, games, or advertising can now create audio assets faster and cheaper. This week's AI News Flash. If you're a business owner, these aren't just headlines. They're signals of where revenue, talent, and tools are moving. This episode was powered by HeyGen. Don't forget to like, follow HumanRav, and ring the bell icon so you never miss your weekly AI fix. See you next week.